Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study English language for Icse Class 10. To begin, familiarize yourself with the paper structure, which typically includes two papers. Paper 1 focuses on composition and grammar, carrying 80 marks. Paper 2, also 80 marks, covers literature and unseen comprehension. Dedicate consistent time to both sections, perhaps 30 minutes daily for each, to build a strong foundation and ensure balanced preparation. For composition, consistent writing practice is key. Aim to write at least one full essay every week, exploring different styles such as narrative, descriptive, and argumentative. Brainstorm ideas before writing and create a clear outline to organize your thoughts effectively. Focus on using a rich vocabulary and varied sentence structures to make your writing engaging and impactful, ensuring a strong introduction and conclusion. Grammar and usage are crucial for clear communication. Dedicate 20 to 30 minutes daily to reviewing fundamental rules like tenses, prepositions, and subject-verb agreement. Work through exercises from your textbook and previous examination papers to pinpoint areas needing improvement. Pay close attention to common errors in sentence structure, punctuation, and spelling. Consistent practice will significantly enhance your accuracy and confidence in this section. To excel in comprehension and literature, cultivate a habit of reading widely beyond your textbooks. Practice summarizing passages and answering unseen comprehension questions, focusing on accuracy and conciseness. For literature, delve into the themes, characters, and literary devices used in your prescribed texts. Discussing these with peers or teachers can offer new perspectives and deepen your understanding, preparing you thoroughly for the examination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.